Hey everyone, it's Darren from Dell. Thanks so much for taking the time to tune in. I'm pumped. Today we are going to be unboxing the Dell Pro Rugged 12-inch tablet. This is a fully rugged 12-inch tablet, the true follow-on for the Latitude 7230 rugged tablet. Again, 12-inch rugged tablet meant for all sorts of use cases. If there's concrete on the ground, dirt on the ground, hey, these rugged devices are meant for you. As I mentioned, this would be the follow-on for the Latitude 7230 Rugged Extreme. Chassis is relatively similar gen on gen. However, the internals have been upgraded, obviously, with brand new processor architecture, new connectivity, enhanced wireless, GPS. The list goes on. Let's jump into the unboxing. Got the seal. Now you'll notice, gotta love the packaging here. Pretty sweet. Got my adapter. Comes with a 65-watt adapter. And then the tablet itself. Pretty sweet. So this would be the follow-on for the Latitude 7230 Rugged Extreme. The chassis is going to be very similar. We've made some optimization on these USB Type-C ports. You will see that there's two of them. These are compression-mounted USB Type-Cs. So definitely helps with repairability and things like that. From a port perspective, I showed you these two over here. You do have on this side USB-A as well as the optional port. It can be USB-A or HDMI depending on what you do need to do. Now up top, another optional port. We've configured this one as the RJ45. This could also be USB Type-A or Fisher USB Type-C. So a lot of kind of options there. Flip it on the back. You do have hot swappable batteries. So you're able to quickly pop them off and on if you're doing shift work or anything like that. From a speeds and feeds perspective, this does move to Lunar Lake, so Intel Core Ultra Series 2, which would be the latest and greatest architecture. You do have the NPU, which means, hey, now I will have a device that has 40 plus tops, which is great. I talked about the ingress protection moving to IP66. Previous gen was IP65, so now it's IP66. So a lot of innovation kind of packed in. You have a world-facing camera over here. This particular device was configured with a camera, so you can actually see that. We do have some configs that don't have the camera, depending on your use case and environment. So leveraging Dell Rugged Control Center, you'd be able to program some of these hotkeys, P1, P2, P3, short press and long press. You have volume buttons here, brightness. So a lot of control kind of at your fingertips. Now on the back, you do have a mount pattern here for accessories, depending on, say you wanted to put a rotating hand strap. Maybe you wanted to use a magnetic mount, you're able to do that. We do have a config option for smart card readers, so if you did need to leverage that. And then over here, this would be the passive stylus. So, hey, if you're doing a little bit of markup or whatnot, you're able to do that. The screen is outdoor readable, so you're going to hit significant nit count. It is glove touch capable, so if I'm wearing gloves, I'll be able to interact with the device. Ton of innovation packed into this. So from a speeds and feeds perspective, we can put in Intel Core Ultra Series 2, either the 5 or 7 CPU. From a graphics card, we do have integrated graphics, but with Intel Lunar Lake, you got ARC graphics. We have a 16 gig option or a 32 gig option. Connectivity would be with Wi-Fi 7. We do also have 5G wireless, built-in discrete GPS, so lots of kind of options there. I did mention the outdoor readable screen. That would be roughly 1200 nits, so definitely outdoor readable. You could be in direct sun and be able to hit the ground running. So over here is one of our magnetic mounts for the rugged tablet, but using the bolt pattern, you will see that I will be able to screw that directly in, and now your accessories are ready to go. So now if I needed to attach this to a magnetic area, I'd be able to do so. On the back side, you do have the Pogo Pins for antenna pass-throughs. It does come with a detachable keyboard as an option, so if you did want to configure that, you are more than welcome to. So I've got my rugged tablet here fully updated, ready to go. What you're seeing on screen is actually what I have down here. So as mentioned, it does have Lunar Lake. So this is Intel Core Ultra 5. This has the 236V. It's got 16 gigs of memory. I did mention graphics, integrated with the tablet. This is ARC graphics. Does have that NPU. So if my application is going to leverage that, I can certainly do so. So I've got everything updated, ran Dell client command update. A couple of things here. So if you haven't seen Rugged Control Center, it's software that we provide for our Rugged portfolio. When you do initialize it, quick little overview here is that you have a lot of insights and data at your fingertips. So I can look at my battery life, look at my device info. Hey, what's particular been configured at time of purchase? From a program perspective, I highlighted the 3 different hotkeys. I can actually configure them in this application. So my short P1 is going to be the on-screen keyboard. Pressing that should pop it up. Pressing and holding the long one will be the touch sensitivity manager and so forth. I can change all of these depending on what I want to do, but I'm not going to do it for purposes of right now. You can look at some of the features. Hey, if I had a SaaS-based application that I wanted to configure as a hot link, I can certainly do that because I could just type in the web address here and so forth. From a settings perspective, from the application, hey, do I want it to start up all the time? Keyboard backlight. So if I am using the detachable keyboard, I can customize that RGB lighting. Night mode, if I wanted to protect my night vision in that example. Hey, if I configured the barcode scanner up top here, which is an option, I left that out when I had done the video initially. So RJ45, USB Type A, Fisher USB, and barcode scanner up here. I can change some of the customization there. Stealth mode, if I wanted to cut all radio frequencies, I can certainly do that. And then, set up a hotkey. Antenna switching, so if I am using this in a vehicle setting, I can certainly play around with that. And then some power related settings there. So quick little overview there. Definitely check it out. So with the NPU, really it's going to depend on the application. If my application has been written to see the NPU, I can certainly do that. So quick little example here with Audacity. If I wanted to generate AI-based music, I can use Intel's OpenVINO and pull up, it sees the NPU, the different devices that are configured. I can use a prompt and essentially click generate. So I've done that to save time for purposes of everyone here. Let's minimize, let's cancel that, let's close that. So you'd be able to see, some of the sample outputs. Lastly, from an edge device perspective, I've got 3 billion parameter AI-based model running Mistral, if you're familiar with that, running in LM Studio, and I'm able to leverage the hardware to prompt and ask questions. So, for instance, I've asked, what industries can use rugged let's retype this quickly. What industries can use Dell Rugged? Type in with my hands here, that's why. Dell Rugged, and show it as a chart. So it's going to pull up some of the different industries. So I've basically queried this 3 billion parameter model and prompted, and I have my output here that I could copy and paste and move forward. So really the power of a device like this at the edge is enormous. There is so much innovation with Intel's Lunar Lake from an architecture standpoint. But really quickly, some of the industries that are called out here: defense and military, oil and gas, mining and construction, agriculture, transportation and logistics, emergency services, education and training, energy, government, public sector, retail, manufacturing, and things like that. All of these, are very much valid kind of use cases where these rugged devices can go. But with that, I hope you enjoyed the unboxing and overview and quick little demo of some of the capabilities of a device like this. Take care.